Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video, I will show you to hide anything from your catalog page. So here you can see this one is the product catalog page in WordPress e-commerce website, and I have installed Asta WordPress theme. So simply you can go to theme customizer, and after that here you can see it is loading. Now scroll down, make sure that you have installed WooCommerce plugin. So if I scroll down, here you can find out WooCommerce, and then you can go to product catalog, then scroll down. So these are different options, whatever you want to display and hide. If I scroll down, for example, I want to hide the star rating, then simply you can go and click on I button. Now here you can see star rating is removed. If you want to remove category, then you can also do same process, then click on publish button.